Today is a day that we do crazy impulsive things. It was not really crazy, kind of impulsive, kind of, because I need another daily. So I'm out right now, shopping around for another daily. As of right now, we're at a dealership in Manuka by my house. I don't know if you can see that big truck right there on the other side. That's what I'm here to look at. I'm about to go inside really quick, get the keys, and check her out. She actually got back from a test drive on it. They let me take it by myself. I don't know why, but it's all right. It's all right. Got a couple going on.
It's all good?
Yeah.
Feel good?
It felt good. All right, so in the last clip, I was trying to talk to y'all and the salesman came out and yeah, just kind of like blew my whole mood or whatnot. But the car is bought. I'm officially a Silverado owner. I mean, as of now, I'm in the scat still. I'm headed back home to drop this off, and then I'm gonna have my dudes bring me back out there so I can go take that home. They're actually closed right now, so it's sitting outside the lot. It's alright though. It's a good neighborhood. I'm not too worried. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm satisfied with my purchase. I'm good, man. I'm good. We got a new daily now. We got to finish the process of getting the Trailblazer sold. Once that gets sold, then we're gold. We're actually gold. It's a little rainy out right now, but I actually got to hit this dude up on the marketplace to see what he's talking about. He wants to come check it out today. Maybe I'll record that. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Depending on what his vibe is. Yeah, I'm gonna check in when I get back to the house. Actually, no, I'll check back in when I get in the car with my mom. See her thoughts on my new purchase. See what she thinks about it. Stay tuned. Alright, so it's slight windy and I left my headset at home. Mics, I mean. But here's a truck. 08 Duramax. Look good. Look real good. Sound good. Interior clean. So we're letting it warm up now. And I'm about to go get some dinner with my mom, brother. Dinner real quick. And take the old girl home with us. So we in it. We in the Duramax, man. It's the newest buy. It's an 08. It's an 08 Chevy Silverado 2500. New buy, new price. Hey, look, bro, how it's coming?
It's decent. I ain't gonna lie. It's decent. It's over clean in the back. You feel me? Over clean. Mint condition.
I'm saying it for a lifted truck, it rides smooth. Don't look at the windshield, bro. I gotta get it moved. I'm getting replaced on Monday, I promise. It's Saturday. They booked up till Monday, so I'm gonna get that done on Monday. Get that replaced on Monday. But man, just look, we cruising, man. Cruising on the highway. Finna get some grub, bro.
Finna get some seafood.
Good seafood, man. Good seafood. But man, I like it. It's the newest addition to the channel. I ain't gonna lie, we got big things coming for this one. Big things coming. But I'm gonna tune back in when we get to the spot we finna eat. Yeah, I'm gonna tune back in. Alright, brother, you ready?
You know that.
You ready for the dog?
You know that.
You better do it the worst way, bro. Yeah, tried to get seafood, man. Got mom's right there. You know what I'm saying? Little bro, you know what I'm saying? A little quality time. You know what I'm saying? Get up with y'all though when we done grubbing though, for real. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm done with. You done with over there, my boy?
Finna go to sleep.
You know what I'm saying, bro?
Get us
Put
home
me-
in one piece.
Just put me down. I ain't gonna lie, just put me down. Sound like you put him down. Got moms over there finna hit the crib. It's over with. It's over with. Let me get this truck back to the crib and I'm gonna show y'all one more walk around, pull out my little imperfections I got, stuff that the dealer gonna fix and stuff that I'm gonna fix. And tap in there. I ain't gonna. Yeah, to make a pit stop at Home Depot for moms. You know what we getting, right? I don't know what we getting. You got my phone?
Paint.
I got my phone. You getting paint?
Grab some paint, man.
Shuddy, you think we're gonna get in through these doors?
Open up. We paint together.
Think? Let's see what's at Home Depot, man. Hey, might buy some tools while we in here. Just might buy some tools. That's cap. I ain't buying no tools, so I just spent all my money on that dirt max back there. I ain't buying no tools. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I ain't, you know what I'm saying, but I'm feeling loose. You feel me? Feeling a little loose. Y'all can't really see it, man. Y'all can't really see it, but she looked good, though. She looked good. So this one of the imperfections that they fixing, man. It's like need to be fastened up. So they got this some strong ass tape. Same thing with the tail lights. Both of them like that. And then the tailgate need to be fixed. It's like, I don't know. Little hinges on the inside need to be fixed. It's little stuff to me though. It's little stuff. Other than that, she clean. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm not doing another update. I'm not. But it's a new truck. Hey, wait to see what's to come with it. Catch y'all next time.